Your home provides you and your family protection from the environment. Yet, when Mother Nature hits, heavy rain, snow, hail, or wind, your roof can take a serious beating and can sustain damage. If you have a home along the Front Range of Colorado, you have the dubious honor of living in Hail Alley. This area of the state receives the highest frequency of large hail in North America, and you can expect 3 or 4 catastrophic storms a year. As a homeowner, that might mean replacing your traditional asphalt roof again and again, and your neighbors are in the same boat.
I had a customer that was going on their 3rd roof. We had done 2 of them, and we had done those 2 within about actually 6 months of each other. And going into that 3rd roof, I really felt that this is insane, putting the same roof on and expecting a different result. It left a bad taste in my mouth. So that really drove me to find a product that answered the issue, that was truly hail-proof and not just impact resistant. And that's how I found Euroshield.
There's an environmentally friendly alternative solution that's been around for over 19 years in Canada, and now, thanks to Johnson Construction, available in Colorado, bringing a significant increase in protection, durability, and added curb appeal, ultimately increasing your home's value. It replaces asphalt, cedar, and other types of roofing materials that deteriorate and don't hold up to Colorado's harsh climate. At Johnson, we offer an exclusive line of products which will help to eliminate your worries for a lifetime. Your neighbors will be envious.
Actually, I like the look of it better than asphalt shingles.
And it stands out from the other homes. All the other houses have those like a patchwork quilt roof, and it doesn't have any dimension to it. This just looks rich. I mean, it makes the house look more expensive. It's just perfect.
Introducing Euroshield, a unique environmentally friendly rubber roofing system designed to cover your home in style and beauty. Built from 95% recycled materials, 70% of which are recycled rubber tires.
On average, each Euroshield roof that we install is responsible for removing 600 tires from landfills.
I think removing the tires from the landfill is huge. That's big. That's big to me.
Extreme durability, extreme hail resistance, insulating qualities, quiet sound deadening, adds value to your home, homeowner insurance discounts, lifetime warranty.
The roof, honestly, there is nothing like it, and it looks amazing.
Those shingles look like they're a tile roof, minus the weight.
Oh, we love the way it looks.
Euroshield is bringing durability and beauty to homes, townhomes, apartment complexes, and hotels all around the world. Euroshield's first style is Shake. Shake is the perfect solution for those who want the classic look of a wood roof, but not the problems associated with wood such as rotting, curling, cracking, mold, discoloration, and added weight associated with moisture absorption. Euroshield offers multiple shake profiles in 3 colors: black, brown, and gray. Euroshield products have no surface coating. The color that you see is entirely through the product. It has carbon black in it, which is found in tire rubber and is a great UV inhibitor and preservative. We also add color to the product, which further enhances its stability. Slate is our second style. Slate is designed to accurately replicate the style and beauty of chiseled edge slate. This roof will bring a high level of class and elegance to your home. Unlike real slate, there's no risk of damage when walking on your Euroshield slate roof, as it will not crack. Euroshield also offers multiple slate profiles in 3 colors. Euroshield's Shake and Slate styles are also great replacements for tile roofs as well. Sleek, stylish, and strong. It's the world's first hail-proof roofing material for hail impact of any size.
Not only was it recommended to me by one of my neighbors, but I've shared it with another neighbor as well.
The interesting thing is we were the first house in the neighborhood that actually said yes. And next thing you know, our next door neighbors on one side of us, they said yes. The neighbors on the other side, they saw our roof, they said yes. The neighbors across the street, and they said yes. And it just became a domino effect.
Not only did we get a great looking roof, but we know it's going to withstand the test of time. And it looks good.
A distinctive manufacturing process incorporating strict quality control methods results in a superior roofing product with durability characteristics unsurpassed in the industry.
You can have a Class 4 impact-resistant shingle knocked out with ping-pong ball size hail. However, you can have a Euroshield that can take 4.5-inch hail and have no damage. No other products are at the level of which Euroshield is.
We put our products to the ultimate test, challenging Euroshield's Vermont slate against traditional asphalt using an extreme hail impact simulator. We took a 4-inch cube of ice. We hurled it 140 feet per second at 95 miles per hour at asphalt shingles. It completely obliterated the shingles and even the paneling underneath. We did the same experiment with Euroshield's Vermont slate. The block of ice shattered into millions of ice shards, and the roof slate remained 100% intact.
I say, come on, hail. We have no worries or no concerns about the next hailstorm in Colorado. We know our roof is going to be just fine.
We're both retired now, and just being home as much as we are now, that peace of mind and that security, knowing we don't have to worry about it. Mother Nature can do her thing, and we're protected.
When it hails again, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna look outside and go, I don't have to replace my roof again.
I'm really excited to see just how far the hail bounces off it.
Simply put, asphalt shingles don't do the job. And worse yet, they continue to add to a growing landfill problem.
I knew I wasn't happy with the asphalt shingles. We always had the highest quality, and they still got damaged.
The biggest thing is I didn't want to have to go through it again in another year.
It got damaged after the first hailstorm. We went ahead and replaced the roof, and 8 months later, it was destroyed again. That's when I started looking for alternative, and we found Euroshield.
Did you know the average asphalt roof generates over 7,500 pounds of waste? That's nearly double the average household waste produced in an entire year.
We're definitely environmentally conscious. We know that our roof came from recycled tires, and we know that the roof's going to last so long that we're not going to be contributing to environmental waste.
A big selling point was the fact that we were able to pull stuff out of the landfill.
When I can offer something back to this world that's given me so much, that's what I want to do.
To know that you've got a product that looks this beautiful, that comes from recycled material, makes you feel good, like you're giving something back.
The environmental aspect of this product is amazing, and we love it.
You may not realize it, but half of your home's insurance premium is likely covering hail and wind damage costs.
Most roofing companies would like to replace your roof over and over again with an asphalt roof. It's extremely profitable. But the problem is, all these roof replacements, insurance coverages are changing. Deductibles are skyrocketing, wording and policy is changing. Getting a new roof from hail replacement, you may find yourself on the hook for it in the future.
Being in an insurance industry, you know, we see it firsthand. The deductibles are just going through the roof is what's happening. The homeowner is eating the difference there. So the hail claims that are coming in, the insurance has been paying out a lot of money, and they're going to recoup that from the homeowners.
So because we went with Euroshield, our insurance company let us know that we would be getting a discount.
Talk about value. My insurance agent actually contacted me to let me know that our insurance rate actually dropped by 1/3.
We get a discount for the future, so my premiums are not as high.
I think I got about $1,500 a year return on my homeowners.
Our goal is to work with you and your insurance company every step of the way, and to make this as stress-free as possible.
Hey, how are you today? Good to see you.
I think it always has been intimidating working with insurance companies and the adjusters, but this time it was just easy. Johnson Construction took care of everything.
Every time there was a question from the insurance company, he made sure he was available. He came out, he talked with them, he pointed out things that they probably didn't want to see.
We were walking around the house, and he had a yellow truck, and he was making circles on every
dent there was on the garage doors, on the siding, on the fascia, everywhere. He marked it for the insurance.
He pointed out some things that we hadn't noticed from the hail damage.
They really made the math easy to understand. They went through every page, line by line, explaining anything that we had questions about and making sure that we walked away knowing exactly what was being paid and what was being done.
The honest answer is that a Euroshield shingle is initially going to cost you more than an asphalt shingle. But Euroshield is going to outlast an asphalt shingle and add huge value to your home, ultimately saving you money.
Bringing the value up on your house, knowing that when you go to sell your house, it's worth more. And the reason it's worth more is because you have Euroshield on it.
I think any homeowner's always considering any project that they do if it's going to increase the value of their home. This is luckily a project that I didn't have to do. Somebody else came out and did it for us, but it's definitely going to increase the value of our home. We know that.
And it already has increased the value of our home. We know that.
Are you ready for your own beautiful, eco-friendly roof? Lower insurance premiums and adding to your home's value with an increase in curb appeal?
Basically for us, at the end of the day, Johnson Construction was the best decision we made.
Great team, great people, great work, and a great product.
Johnson Construction cares deeply about our customers, our community, and our environment. We saw a need and we found a fantastic solution. Euroshield is revolutionizing the roofing industry.
They did a great job. I'm very happy with my new roof.
Happy.
Very happy.
Johnson Construction is the premier provider of Euroshield rubber roofing along the Front Range in Colorado.
At Johnson Construction, we believe your home and the environment should be beautiful and are worth protecting.
Check us out at roofsbyjohnson.com or call us at 303-719-ROOF to schedule your free roof inspection and find out how you too can have the beauty and durability of Euroshield.